How to open multiple timelines at the same time and edit from them. Keep watching. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos like this one. If you ever watched a Premiere tutorial, you might have seen some editors editing by having two sequences open at the same time. In Premiere, timelines are called sequences. One sequence will be a select sequence that have all of your B-roll footage or A-roll, and the other is your editing sequence where you want to transfer some of these clips, or maybe you want to copy section of an existing timeline to another. This technique can be done easily in Premiere by opening two timelines or sequences at the same time. Then you drag one of them and duck it under the other like this. But as you know, in DaVinci Resolve you can't move your tabs like you do in Premiere. DaVinci Resolve have a relatively fixed UI, so how can we do that? To begin with, how can we open two timelines in DaVinci Resolve at the same time? I have here two timelines, and to do that, go to this button on the top left corner of the timeline tab. Click on it and select this option. Now we can open multiple timelines at the same time, like an internet browser, by double-clicking on another timeline or drag it next to the existing one. That's awesome, but this is still too much work and not that fluid to work with. And to do what we saw in Premiere exactly, go to the top right corner, and here we can find the solution of our problem. If you click this button, you can stack two timelines on top of each other. Now close the other timeline and go to the bottom one and select it from the drop-down menu. Notice that we can open more than two timelines, but usually you will work with two. And to copy from one timeline to the other, go to the part you want to copy, add a mark in and a mark out, then hit Ctrl C. Then go to the top timeline and hit Ctrl V. But before you do that, make sure that you uncheck this button from the tracks where you don't want the clip to be pasted. Repeat this step until your edit is done. I hope you liked it. That's it for this video, and see you in the next one.